Are we still partners?
What are you talking about? You come to my thrift store and refuse to buy anything. Ducky and I have been partners for a long time. Special price. But his goods, absolutely not. Peeling, stains, discoloration after one wash. Of course, this isn't my fault. It's Ducky's fault. The quality is questionable. It left me no other choice, so I'm going to another store.
Did you have to think?
Yes, 100% cotton, grown from Bikini Bottom, harvested by SpongeBob himself. Limited edition, the one and the only white t-shirt. I took he work in fast food, but Bikini Bottom cotton, I will take it. Finally, quality. Did you buy clothes?
No, I made a promise. Remember?
This shirt is different. Bikini Bottom cotton. I wore it once. Wash it once. Why is it peeling, shrinking, changing color? And why is the label different? It turns into a completely different shirt.
Hey! Are you scamming me like Ducky?
I am a honest chicken. How did you wash it? My shirt smells like drowning fish. Time to wash it. Stop! Jail! Rule number 1. Separate colors. White with white, dark with dark. Crime number 2. Overstuffing. I want to save water and electricity. You created a fabric fight club. The washing machine is a fight club.
Hey, we don't talk about that.
You overstuff it. Just fill the drum, approximately only 66% maximum. And do you know friction rinse clothes? And overloading is a no-no unless you want peeling clothes. Crime number 3. Sorting wrong. Sorting is not just color. 3 groups. Heavy, towels, jeans, and light. These underwear. Delicate, knits, sock fabrics. Knits and undergarments, also delicate. It has to go in laundry bags. Less tangling, less stretching. I usually just hand wash my knits though. And crime number 4. Did you read the label?
Of course! There's no way I buy clothes without knowing the price.
I am talking about the label. Inside.
Are you sure that's not just a decoration?
Well, you really should start reading the labels. If it's cold water only, give it cold water. If it said hand wash, then just hand wash it.
Hand wash gently in cool water. Do not dry clean, do not machine wash, do not rub, do not soak, do not wring, do not bleach,
Do not tumble dry. Drip dry instead. Do not dry clean. Press using a cloth. Exactly what I should do with this. Did you use the dryer? Emilia, that shirt cost $200. It's a bikini bottom cotton, harvested by SpongeBob himself. And you put it in the dryer? You really should air dry when possible. Heat causes shrinkage, especially with cotton and wool. Air drying is the best for longevity. The sun is free. Use it well. Also for knitwear, you have to lay it flat. No hanger stretching. How much detergent? I don't want to smell like drowning fish, so 1 bottle. That's not washing, that's marinating. You don't need that much. I think 1 cup or half a cup for medium load is enough. If you use too much soap, it's going to leave so much residue and it's going to make the clothes stiff. Also, add a small amount of vinegar. Don't worry though, it won't smell like vinegar once it dries. But it's not for elastin, okay? How often do you wash clothes? Every time I wear them. Stop torturing fabric. Wash less your jeans, sweaters, outer layers, and structured garments. If it's not dirty, well, just air it out, just spot clean, and rewear 2 or 3 times if not sweaty. Clothes can last longer the less you torture it with your washing machine. Hey, but of course you need to wash your undergarments daily and your socks, also your sportswear. Turn clothes inside out. Turn them inside out. Protects color. Reduce peeling. Save sprint. This is non-negotiable. Hey son, how are sales? Wait. Exactly, the chicken is my son. I thought chicken is a hen.